Rome was not built in a day, nor habits. Building habits that give you superhuman strength takes more than one night. So prepare for the long haul. But how do you form your habit? And what can you do to help you to stick to it? The first thing to understand when forming a habit is that at the heart of every habit is a trigger, an action or situation that causes you to engage in a habitual behavior. Take brushing your teeth for example. Its trigger are waking up in the morning or getting ready for bed at night. The goal is to align your habit with the trigger so that it become an automatic response. Without triggers, you have to trust your gut to decide if you will ever start the habit. And as we all know, this is a pretty unreliable method. To move you forward on your journey, it is very important to choose a specific trigger as soon as you decide which path to build. This trigger may already exist in your life, like coming home from work or drinking coffee. You can also use existing good habits to create new ones. Do you drink a cup of a green tea every morning? Use it later to start your new meditation habit. When forming these habits, remember that this is a long-term process. Automating a habit usually takes at least a month and often a year. This process consists of two steps: loading and serving. In the loading phase, you use your willpower to form your habit. It's where you exit and then you continue. No excuse, no hype. Once you feel you have mastered the habit, you can move on the maintenance phase. Here you can relax a little. Let's say you trend every day during the loading phase. In the maintenance phase, you can reduce it every other day. It's a maintenance routine you will stick for the rest of your life. Because habit formation is a gradual process, you probably won't see result right away. It is highly unlikely that you will have a toned body after a week of exercise or an awesome poem after 2 days of practicing your writing skill. That's why you shouldn't measure your progress by result. Instead of focus on consistency. How many times have you completed the habit successfully? How many times have you passed? These are the important questions here. And when you fail, give yourself grace. It's okay to make mistakes, skip a day, and completely break a habit. But don't let this mistake stop you from building a new habit again. Instead, take advantage of them, learn from them, and do better next time. Thanks for watching.